I hope that सब अच्छे हो गए. So now today again another unboxing video I brought for you. So my name is Milind and you are watching my YouTube channel Milind Perception. And in this video I'm going to do the unboxing of running shoes. That is the Sparx running shoes. So बिना वक्त गवाए चले शुरू करते हैं. So you can see the packaging of this box. Good packaging. I have bought it from Amazon, and you can see the packaging. Now I just want to do the unboxing. I bought it within 5 days from Amazon. So the packaging is very good. Good quality of packaging is there, and you can see the branding of Sparx here. Let me again cut this. Easily take out the box from this plastic wrapper, and the box seems very old. कटा पिटा दिखा है. Packaging, and you can see the branding. Here is Akshay Kumar, and it has a ball is there, and Sparx. Go for it. Also sent branding is written where is sent, and here you can see the pricing and all the things of the product. So let me show you the real product of this, and you can see, and here are this is the bill, and here is the product itself. So you can see the product, that is the shoes, and it is a very good quality काफ़ी अच्छी लग रही है. And this is the sole. I have bought it for 9 number because I usually wear the 9 number shoes and chappals, and you can see the color is black and yellow, and here is something black color is there, and the lace are good. So sole is good. And it is very lightweighted shoes. Okay, so hey guys, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon, and if you like it, please share with your friends, and please subscribe. जो लाल बटन दिख रहा होगा सब्सक्राइब में उसको ग्रे बना दीजिए और मेरे चैनल को सपोर्ट कीजिए. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग.